Hello everyone. Welcome to CAD Magics. My name is Bishnu. And let's jump directly to the tutorial. As we can see here, I have taken an image from internet and imported in this file as OLE. In this video we are going to make this 3D baluster as quickly as possible. First of all, let's divide the viewports to two vertical views. We can see both views are top views. I have scaled this image to make it look like 16 inches. Let's rotate the second viewport in 3D direction by pressing Shift key and press holding mouse roller and moving the mouse a little. Let's draw a vertical line upward from XY plane towards Z direction to 16 inches. Let's go to first viewport. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the use of this Revolve command to create this 3D baluster. For this, first of all, let's draw a construction line approximately along the center of this image. Then trace the half portion of circular part over the image with polyline command. Use arc and lines. We can just go on clicking. The curves which are not matching the image we can adjust later on. We just need to create this polyline up to here. Now let's adjust the curves to make smooth. Not it looks perfect. So, let's trim the exceeding line above and beneath this shape. Select this both lines and join them with J command to make it a closed polyline. Now let's copy this line with Ctrl plus Shift plus C command and click the base point at this end. Then let's go to second viewport and switch the working plane to front. If you are new on 3D, I suggest you to visit my channel and have a look on 3D basic tutorial where I have explained about the view directions and working planes. Now we are viewing the drawing from front view. Paste the copied object with Ctrl plus V. Click at this bottom end for now. Then let's move this object to the center of this line which we have made 16 inches. Click midpoint of object as base point of move and again click at the midpoint of this vertical line. Now, let's rotate a little in 3D direction. Now let's click this Revolve command. Then select the object to be revolved, that is this closed polyline, and press Enter. Then let's click at 2 points randomly along this vertical line. We can see 3D is being formed with the movement of mouse. But since we want to revolve 360 degree, let's type 360 and press Enter. Let's look rotating in 3D direction. Let's change the visual style for better view. Let's click Conceptual. Or let's choose Realistic. We want it white, so let's select this and go to Properties and change its color. Now for top and bottom square shape, the square is from top view, so let's change our working plane to top. Let's check the size of square. We can say it's about the size of 4.2 inch by 4.2 inch. So let's draw a square 4.2 by 4.2 inch at free space. Now let's move it by its center to the end of this vertical line. Copy it also to the top end. Now we can just extrude them up to the center of face of this circular portion. Let's match their properties. Now the remaining task is that we need to fillet the edge of these top and bottom cuboids. For that, let's click at this edit and click on this very first icon which says Fillet Edge. Then type R and press Enter for radius. For now let's type 0.4 and press Enter and go on clicking at all four edges. Also same for top part. We have completed making this object. Let's combine this as single. Type UNI for union and select all the objects. Now we are good to go. We can now design beautiful balconies. Just copy or array them in lines. And that's a wrap. If you're new here, let me tell you I create practical AutoCAD tutorials to help you level up your drafting skills one step at a time. There are more useful tutorials on my channel. You can get different types of useful lists absolutely free. There are also some ready-made blocks that will ease your daily workflow. You can easily download the lists and learn how to use them in my videos. And still more videos are on the way, so make sure don't miss any. Since my channel is very new, do not hesitate to support by sharing. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I have used this AI voiceover for clear audio. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!